So we're gonna flip a coin to see who's gonna go first, either Rondo or me. We're gonna flip a coin now.
I got heads. You got heads?
What you gotta talk?
Heads.
Rondo call heads. And it's heads. So do you want first or you want me to go first?
I want first.
Oh, he said he's going first. It's about to get real, y'all. It's about to get real, y'all. So what trick you gonna do first?
I'm going jump to the other side, left side. Then I'm gonna jump back up to the knee knob. Then I'm gonna drag my foot, jump to the Superman, back down to the knee knob. And then
Mike Tyson punch combo.
So yeah, I was gonna say, you starting off with a combo from the rip?
I mean, yeah.
Show me as you saying it.
Like that,
Boom, you're gonna jump to the
back
left
up to
side.
the knee knob. Then I'm gonna drag my.
Wait, you gonna sit down then jump up to the knee knob?
I'm gonna jump from this. I'm gonna jump from this.
You gonna jump straight from the left,
I'm gonna go
straight
like
to the
this.
knee knob?
Straight to the
Straight
knee
to the
knob.
knee knob.
Then I'm gonna drag my left foot.
What you just do?
You just missed it on camera. Matter of fact, you might have got it.
I might have got it. Yo, I think I got that because the angle was like,
We might have got
the
that.
angle was just there. But what you just do?
Solid, that's all that matters. I mean, he good.
I was sliding, I grabbed the clutch and the clutch popped in there.
You was sliding?
No, I was
He was slowing down and he
Popped the
pressed
clutch by
in and
accident.
then he let it go and it like jumped.
It turned off?
You had a clutch in your head.
No, he pressed the clutch in and then he let it go.
You okay?
That should be doing it. That should be doing it right.
All right, I'm gonna have to put this in slow motion so I can see this.
Facts.
So he's about to go crazy. He know I haven't rode a 150 and I don't know how long, and he rides this 150 every day. Let me stretch because he talking about doing all this acrobatic stuff and jumping from this side to that side and knee knocking and dragging the left foot while on the knee. I'm confused. So we just gotta see it. He did it so fast, like I kind of missed it. Like I saw it, but I missed it.
The only thing he was supposed to jump back to the seat instead of jumping back to the knee knob from the last.
He said he was going Superman.
Yeah, he did.
He's Superman?
He went like this, he hopped back onto the seat, and then he went on the seat, he went back to the knee knob. From the Superman, he was supposed to go back to the seat, but instead he did the knee knob. But that's a land, bro.
Yeah, it's definitely a land. I think I need a practice run because I don't know what that was.
Talk about a practice run. Hey, Rondo,
That was nice as hell, but it was so fast I couldn't even like.
He said that shit easy. That shit not easy.
Go from this and just jump.
One
back up.
hand?
No, I ain't do one hand. Just do this. Jump back up. Basically, just put your foot up. Jump to the knee knot. Once you get to the knee knot, you put this foot up and put the knee right here.
On the
Drag
knee
your
knob,
foot.
so drop it. Like, which how you be doing?
So are you going on knee knock on your right leg?
No, you go to knee knot regular.
Regular, but
you
drop.
put your right knee right here, and then you put your left foot out to
You know
drag
what
your
I'm saying?
foot. And then
Like
you
when
just
you
jump
jump
up to the
back.
Superman and jump back down to the knee knot. So you basically go to drag your foot like that.
Okay, let me see.
See how he cheating? He trying to do a little practice jump. See, if he'd have did that, it wouldn't have counted because I ain't jumped like that. S.O.B route, man. He better get burnt up by, yeah, man, Rondo 46, my guy.
What you got? Hey, Rondo! Took him with an F. The guy get comfortable, man. I ain't gonna lie, boys just hopped on the bike, but that's a S. S.O.B. Rue.
It looked like
That's a S.
Yes.
What you gonna do, man? Left side, jump to the left. You said he jump into the left. Okay, that's the left side jump. Okay. Oh, man. I don't know.
Oh yeah, he messed up now. He didn't give me a chance to do my trick.
He said he messed up. Oh, man. Who are you? Who are you?
That's S.O.B. core.
I mean, he outside.
So I landed my trick. So now it's his turn to try to follow up and do the same. Landed. I mean, he ain't coast too much on the seat, but what you think? You a judge.
I think he did your trick, and at the end he controlled the bike. So I think, Zay, what you think? I think that.
You think you coasted enough on the seat?
Yes, I think I did.
He said, yes, I think I did. Hey, yo.
Ooh, show our boys Rue. I mean, my man Chicky in the building. Wait, what you say to everybody? Who are you? Who are you?
So be cheeky, man. Show out. They cheating me in my own game.
I'm a fair judge, y'all. I'm not gonna let it go down.
He just made his own rules.
Rondo number 9.
Well, buddy.
Leg over the handlebars.
Leg over the handlebars. Sit back down. How about this? Seat, one hand, Superman. Sit back down.
One hand Superman. He landed.
They say he gotta do my trick.
Bro, you don't got no letters, bro.
Knee knock. Sit down.
No straight, bro. Straight, bro. You not gonna straight for me? Straight.
I can do
Knee knock.
everything.
Straight,
Sit down.
Jay, straight.
Knee knock. Sit down. No hands. Patty cake.
Whole lot of.
My boy said he's gonna take the letter. He's not gonna try the patty cake on this one.
I know that's some shit I can't do. I ain't gonna play myself like that.
So
That's something I can't do. But I got, so you better land this next trick, because if you don't, it's over.
now The game is tied up. I told y'all it ain't over till the fat lady sing. You hear me?
That shit was over. We just let you land that trick, nigga. It was over. We just say, I'll give him a pass. I ain't got no letter.
Hey yo.
Dumbass said that shit.
Now I gotta try to finish him off. Next trick. I'm gonna start off with patty cake.
See, that's bro, you a combo or something, nigga. You doing shit you know I can't do. Put yourself up to the real test, nigga.
Yeah, I think we gave you a pass on that last trick.
I'm gonna listen. I'm gonna start off with patty cake. Then I'm gonna go to leg over the handlebars, and then I'm gonna come back straight to the knee knock, reverse to the other knee knock, leg over, sit down. Oh, what?
Bro.
You gonna take the letter?
Bro, you did the same shit twice, bro. I feel like you
Bro,
should
no, I didn't.
You
I
did a
started
patty
with patty cake through the
bro,
leg over.
I just told you I ain't do the last trick because of patty cake. We gonna do it again because it's fucking patty cake. You don't want to do no combo.
So you gonna let me take the W?
Go ahead and do it. Next time,
I got my first W in S.O.B, baby.
But we all know who really you mean.
I got lucky. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. We had a good game. We're gonna see y'all next time for another game of S.O.B, man.